Good afternoon. This is Dennis Drive with Guarantee RV here in this sunny Junction City, Oregon today. Looking forward here to take you around this 2020 Newmar Ventana 3709. So all new for 2020, many changes. First off, new colors on the exterior. So you can see how rich that looks with the inset grille. As we're coming around, this one's going to be a triple slide. When we look at the height of these bays due to this chassis, you can see, just how well they maximized the use of space. We have a pull-out tray here that is bi-directional. You can pull it out this side or pull out the other side. Many customers like to use them with plastic bends and then keeps it nice and neat and easy to move. That's our accessories for our whole house vacuum. Spare tiles, hopefully never have a tile problem, but if you do, you got matching tile. Kind of our miscellaneous storage here. Additional storage. Chassis batteries along with our kill switch for our chassis. Come around this side, you see ladder. So the ladder is removable so we can get access to our engine. 360 horse. Cummins. Tall storage. Power cord reel. Thing they do give us is that little notch. Makes it so easy to put the power cord out, put it in the notch, then close the door. Surge protector right beside it there. Our DEF container. And beside that, what they've done is given us a rotocast area here to put our sewer hose. Has a little drain hole in it so it keeps itself nice and clean. Coming down the side here, we can see the large wall slide. Hose reel, pre-plumbed pressure regulator. Our drains, super clean exterior area there. So as we come around, this last one here is going to be our chassis bay, chassis fusing. Also the access, that's our pull handle to get to the generator's door. So as we go inside on this 2020 Ventana, we're going to see several more changes. Up in here we have our Sony DVD player along with our Bose lift up TV, fireplace. Those fireplaces are wonderful for our wet rainy fall day. 1500 watt heaters. Look at the depth of these drawers and how well done they are. On the Ventana, they've also brought in the 2-burner induction cooktop. One of the things that the customers like is the ability to remove this cooktop, take it outside. So you can use it for your portable grill outside. 120 volt, so not high demand. Convection microwave. Overhead with pullouts. And one of the nice things they do on their overheads is use that light maple, makes it much easier to see inside. New, very stylish hot and cold lines. Plenty of room underneath the sink and even a trash can. Ends up answering that question we all end up with, where can I put the trash can? This one has the Oasis heating. That's one of the heaters right there. So this is the bath and a half unit. What a great floor plan in a shorter version with good storage and a bath and a half. King bed. As we come into the back, on the left here we have the washer dryer prep cabinet. We can leave that for storage or we can change it into washer dryer. On the right we have our hanging closet. Nice deep medicine cabinets. New very stylish sink. Solid surface shower. Our emergency door. You know, and I don't know if you're all aware, in the bottom of the emergency door is a stainless steel ladder you can use. Just help hidden behind the magnetic panel. Flush floor, slide out here on the driver's side. Our wardrobes, 6 drawers, nice TV. Look at the size of this beautiful Whirlpool triple door refrigerator. Coming up, we have the European style booth dinette, super comfortable, and of course adjustable, so you can add leaves with 2 more chairs when guests come to visit. Sofa with 2 ottomans. But here's kind of one of the bigger changes for 2020. As we look over here on the driver's side armrest, one of the first things you'll notice, there's no Allison touchpad anymore, and we've removed about a dozen switches. All those operations are now here on the steering column. Here's your shifter, your Jake brake is on here, your house information, you know, charging pad, dual monitors. So all the many things that were scattered throughout with switches are now really nice, cleanly done here on the Freightliner steering wheel. So get a chance, come test drive it. I think you'll really like it. You know, one of the benefits I see on the new style steering wheel, if you're out traveling and you need to shift, you don't need to look back and behind anymore to see where the shifter is. It's right here on the stock. So come see us. We'd love to do a test drive with you in this beautiful 2020 Ventana. Thank you very much.